the art material?
Yeah, almost.
Some of us have it ready and the others can probably just watch the session and do it later. So today we have with us Miss Amita Shah. Can you switch on your video?
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Ami, I can, but right now I can
Hi.
only see your artwork table. So do you want to like
No,
switch
I am with at love with dot art. Look at that one.
it? Okay, so okay, there she comes. Okay. Okay, so that's Amita. That's Amita Shah. She is a self-taught artist actually, who has explored various forms of art, right from paper quilling to what making paper albums and of course dot art, which is what she's going to teach us today. At the end of the session or when we send the recording, we will also share with you her YouTube and Insta handles, so you could just check out her work there and probably learn other techniques and designs from there. And she also takes up bespoke orders for any kind of this kind of gifting that you would like to do. So over to you, Amita.
Thanks, Karishma. Right now, I'll be switching off the camera in some time because actually I'm pretty shy and I won't be able to concentrate on what I'm doing. But so dot painting is one second.
What is it called? What is it called?
It is called dot painting.
Dot paint.
One second.
So this is a stone, and with the help of dots, I've made a landscape here. So that is one way of doing stuff. Then this is a poster on which I've made a mandala. Mandala is any design which is symmetrical and circular in shape. So anything that you do in a circle is a mandala. Nowadays, mandala has become very famous, especially in COVID times. So this is a mandala pattern. Even this is a mandala pattern. So only with dots and these swipes, you can make a lot of designs in dot mandala. And on bottle, I've made something like this. So this is a bottle. So this is again a mandala. And you can even make earrings. So basically, it's you use acrylic paint for this, and wherever you can use paint, you can make art with dot art. And it requires no training, nothing, just a imaginative mind and whatever colors you like, and you can start with it. Mandala requires a lot of grid lines and structured form. But today for starters, we are going to be making this pattern. In this, it's just dots and a few flowers, and you can just fill it up with various size of dots so that you are not restricted to only one particular size of dots or a pattern. And you can fill it up and it looks very pretty. I've done this on stone, I've done it on earrings, and this is a coaster that I've made. Now, I'm assuming everyone will be having paints. Usually I like Fevicryl paints. So I'm going to be using red, yellow, teal color and white today. Now for dot painting, we can use toothpicks or skewer sticks like this, both ends. Basically for dotting, this is also called dotting art. So basically for dotting, you need a flat end of any tool. I hope you can see this. Is this clear? This is a skewer stick.
Yeah, we can.
Yeah. So you can use the pointed end also and the end of the flat end, pointed end for the very tiny dots. Normal toothpicks are also okay. Then you can use round pencils. My screen is frozen. Just yeah. Karishma? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. You can use any round pencil with eraser and baking or embossing. They know these as embossing tools. This is mainly used in baking, but these are also dotting tools nowadays. So all these balls help you make different size of dots. So these are embossing tools, which are also called dotting tools when you go to a craft shop if you want to buy. Then these are specific dot tools. These come in a set of 8. These come in a set of 8. These are acrylic rods with various diameters. So you can make, if you want to do a mandala, you need a specific size of dots per line or pattern. So these tools come in very handy. And finally, these are nail styluses. So in nail art, these are used, but for dotting too, these are used. And for very tiny dots, and there is a technique called walking dots. Today we won't be doing it, but these tools are mainly used for walking dots and for tiny dots. So having said that, we'll first do some practice dots. Is anyone doing along with me? Yeah, okay. I can see one. Yeah, one person I can see. Sorry?
We'll try it.
Yeah. So I'll be using this green color. Let me know if it's not clear, okay? I think this is pretty good contrast. So I'll be using this stick right now. This is like a lollipop stick, but wooden, not plastic. Even this you get in craft stores. Wooden dowels, these are called. But the smaller ones, you get thick and thin, whatever, depends on what you want. So first rule of dotting is that your paint has to be good consistency. It has to be like medium thick lassi, not very thick, but yogurt. So this is my paint.
Can I take another color? Can I take another color? I don't have green.
Any color. Right now I'm just showing practice dots. I'll be using different colors for the final poster. Right now I'm just using green, just so that it's a contrast on my green black paper. Anyways, so this is the consistency. It has to be like yogurt or lassi, but smooth. And there shouldn't be any bubbles. So when you take a fresh paint bottle like Fevicryl or Fabrica, the paint is pretty good. We don't have to do anything when for Indian paints. So this is the consistency. Always keep a wet towel nearby. Tissue paper will do, but it has to be wet because you have to keep on cleaning your tools. So that is the second rule of dotting, that after every few dots, please clean your tools. Otherwise paint will build up and your dots will not come out well. Third is that don't dip the tool too much inside. So you don't have to really dunk it in. Just little bit so that the whole.
Can't hear you.
Avni, we can't hear you. Your voice is cracking.
Can't hear.
Just enough paint should be there to, I think this, can you see? Yeah. So it should be just enough to cover the base like this. Okay. So just take a little bit of paint and start with the first dot. Your dot ideally should look like this. It will have a slight dome. It will be shiny and it will be round. So initially you might not get round dots, but that is what the practice is all about. And if the paint is good, you will get shiny dots and tiny domes on them. Can you see this?
Yes, it's clear.
Should we start?
Yeah.
Can we start?
No, no. If practicing, you can start.
How many dots?
Can you hear me? I will be starting this in 5 minutes.
Okay.
Okay. And with the same tool,
Okay.
with the same tool, you can even have larger dots if you take more paint or you double dot it. So if I double dot it, with the same tool, I'll have even bigger dots like this. And with a toothpick or a skewer stick, you can have tiny dots to fill up the. Today we will need these tiny dots and the bigger dots to make the pattern that here we are, what we are talking about. Right. So we'll start with the base. So in this pattern that we are going to do, first we will fill the coaster with these flowers. Okay. Now whoever is doing with two sizes, one slightly smaller for the bud of the flower and one for the petals. So I'm using these two sizes. These are my acrylic rods. So we'll be starting with this. Now you will need to put the buds anywhere. आपको कितने buds, आपको कितने flowers चाहिए? You want 5, 7. Accordingly, आप किधर भी buds डाल देंगे in the whole of the coaster or whatever is your painting area. So, and then more the number of flowers, you will have to fill in the space. You if you have many flowers and you want to fill up the other space less, then you will be putting more buds on your working space. I'm going to be filling up. I'm going to be making so many flowers as of right now. Then for the petals, you can make 4, 5, 6 petals, whatever is your wish. So I like the 5 petal flower. So I'll be putting 5 petals around the buds. The petals can be small also. It need not be perfect because flowers are also not perfect. But if you can manage putting 5 good dots, it will look very pretty. And in dotting, you can your dots ideally shouldn't touch each other, but if they touch, no problem since you are just starting. So this is my first flower. Can everyone see?
Yeah.
And every dot will need to be dipped. So you should dip the tool once after every dot. And clean the tool after 3-4 dots, every 3-4 dots, otherwise the paint starts building up. Just clean your tool. So here also, this is my second tool. In this second flower, I'm sorry. In this, see, there is some space here. It's not a problem. If you're not able to achieve perfect 5 dots, it's not a problem at all. Because ultimately, once you fill it up, you are not going to be seeing the imperfections. It's the whole design that comes together. So it's not an issue at all. Just try and be consistent in taking the amount of paint on your dotting tool, because that way you will know that your dots are going to be of almost equal size, if not perfectly equal. So
Okay.
after every flower, I'm cleaning my tool so that the paint doesn't get built up.
No, any auntie, I'm not sending anything. I mean, giving anything. I found that this thing for sorry, एक मिनट मैं mute पे नहीं हूँ एक second.
Dot painting is actually a very relaxing art. Once you get the initial hiccups, it's a very relaxing and entertaining art. And plus, for me, it was best because I used to be very bad, and I am very bad at drawing and painting. But this allows me to create artworks and not get, you know, muddled about the sketching part or the proper drawing and painting. Keep on moving your art space, otherwise you'll get paint on your hand, and also your artwork may get bad. So I have put so many flowers. I can still put one here and probably one, half of it here. But right now I'm pretty happy with it. Now for the shades in the flower, we'll have to wait for these dots to dry. Acrylic color take about 5-7 minutes to dry up. So till that time, we will try and fill up the black space with this teal green color. So I'm going to be using teal shade from Fevicryl itself. And one tip that I can give is that we get paints in such bottles, 15-20 ml or 100 ml if you're an artist. So I usually, for dotting, whatever shades I like or I'm working upon for that particular artwork, I put in such small containers so that my bottle paint remains intact and there is less wastage. So first is to fill up any space, just put in your larger dots. So this is the reference pick. Just put in all the larger dots so that there is even less space to fill up with the tiny dots, because that is going to be the tedious work and time consuming. If your paint is fresh and without any bubbles, you're going to get these glorious, very shiny, beautiful dots without much work. Your tool should not be touching the artwork. Like you will not be pressing your tool onto the paper like this. You will not do this. You will be just touching and you'll lift it up and let the paint get transferred on your artwork. Try and use up all the corners, because then otherwise you'll have a lot to fill out there.
Hello, Amita. Please
Yes?
tell me, have you
Yes?
taken black color?
Sorry? Your voice got cut. Who was talking? Hello? Someone was speaking?
If anybody wants to ask a question, please unmute yourself and ask your question.
Yeah, I'm not able to look at the chat because I'm doing this.
I would like to know what are you using to make the dots with?
I am using these acrylic rods. These are specific dotting tools. Now they are readily available in the market. If the easiest way to get them is Itsy Bitsy, now they are having. Otherwise, Amazon also has these acrylic rods. And Itsy Bitsy has started selling them now. So now they are pretty easily available. But then these are for the medium to large dots. For the very tiny dots, you need to use these. These are nail stylus dotting tools. So you get them in any beauty shop, and you get a, I think, set of 5. And then these tiny tips will help you. I'll be using them right now. You'll see them to fill up the tiny spaces.
Okay. And also to make the lines in between the flowers.
Lines, right now I'll not be doing these swipes, but yes, they can be used to do this also.
Okay.
So these are called swipes in dot painting, but right now for this, we are not going to be doing. That is at a later stage. Once you know basic dotting, once you know walking dots, then we get onto swipes.
Okay.
What type of paper we take for this?
So ideally, dot painting is done on items. Like initially I showed, I have done on stones. I have done on bottles. I have done on canvas. Because if you want to be framing it or putting it as an artwork, you don't do it on paper. But right now I'm doing it on a 300 GSM cardstock.
Okay.
This is also thick. But otherwise yeah. So this is something that I've done on the light is reflecting. I'm sorry for that. But this is what I've done on a canvas. I hope it's a dream catcher. So now to fill up the space, these are enough big dots according to me. It's personal preference, absolutely. So whatever, however you like. If you want to fill it up only with tiny dots, that's also all right. Then I'll be using a different size, a smaller size, and filling up the spaces even further. So I'll fill it up for 1 or 2 minutes more. I'm hoping my white dots will be dry by then, so that I can show you something called top dots. So in dot painting, top dots is something that you keep on adding more and more colors to the original dot in forms of various sizes of dots. So the dots keep on decreasing, and depending on the spacing of the dot, like in the center or on the side, the look will differ. In such abstract or random designs, dotting is fun because you don't have to keep track of the size of dot. In a mandala, depending on the pattern, all your dots need to be of the same size or in the same curvature or design. So that is a more structured form of dot painting, and this is a relaxed and abstract form. So I'm pretty happy with filling this much with this size of dots. Just check if my white dots they're still wet. For my petals, I had used this size. So for my red, I'm going to be dotting my petals with this coral red color. Instead of this purple, I'll be using coral red color. But I'll have to wait because my white dots are not filled in. I'll be using this size now for my filling. if you like dot painting, ideally, once you try it, obviously, you should try and get the dotting tools, at least the acrylic rods and the nail stylus tools, because that way at least you will be able to create small artworks. And once you really like it, then you can get into better tools. Now, if you will notice here, I'm using a dowel, but I'm making tinier dots. So that's also possible. With adequate practice, you will be able to gauge how much paint is there on your tool and accordingly vary the size of your dots with one tool itself. But that takes practice. So initially, it's better that you have separate tools for separate sizes. Those who are following along, are you able to make any dots? If you'd like to show.
You will watch.
Okay.
Excuse me,
Different
ma'am.
color की same color.
Sorry?
Different color की same color का dot करने का है.
मतलब ये फिलिंग में या आपके आर्टवर्क की बात कर रहे हैं आप?
फ्लावर में सेम व्हाइट एंड मींस बाद में डॉट स्मॉल करने का है ना.
हाँ हाँ, उसके बाद अभी ये व्हाइट मेरा सूख जाएगा, उसके बाद
हाँ.
मैं कोरल रेड कलर यूज करने वाली हूँ पेटल्स में, एंड येलो कलर फॉर बड के बीच में भी मैं यहाँ एक डॉट डालने वाली हूँ, लेकिन ये ड्राई नहीं हुआ है.
तो आपने बड़ा डॉट और छोटा डॉट दोनों किया है ना इसमें. जरा
हाँ.
नजदीक से दिखाइए प्लीज. ओके ओके ओके.
तो जो बीच का डॉट है उस पे येलो आएगा, छोटा, मतलब ये व्हाइट से छोटा, एंड इधर रेड आएगा, लेकिन प्लेसमेंट अलग रहेगा दोनों का. ऐसे आएगा, ऐसे आएगा.
अच्छा, बीच का डॉट है उसमें. हेलो.
हाँ जी, बोलिए.
बीच का डॉट है उसमें बाद में दूसरा छोटा डॉट करना है ना सूखने के बाद.
हाँ, ये येलो आएगा. मैंने येलो डाला, आप येलो ऑरेंज कुछ भी डाल सकते हैं. एंड ये पर्पल की जगह पे मैं रेड डालने वाली हूँ. लेकिन अगर आप देखेंगे, हाँ, बोलिए.
आपने ग्रीन बड़ा किया है, उसके आजू बाजू में छोटा ग्रीन कर दूं ना.
हाँ, जैसे अभी ये सब मैंने इतने ये साइजेस डाले हैं ना, फिर ऐसे टाइनी टाइनी डॉट से जितना भी काला है मैं ट्राई करूंगी पूरा भरने के लिए. तो आपको ऐसे फिल करना है.
अच्छा, ओके. अब मेरे पास टूल्स नहीं है, पर मैं थोड़ा बहुत जो भी टूल्स है उससे कर रही हूँ. आप फिर बाद में देखिए, मुझे बताइए.
हाँ, आप ये टाइनी डॉट्स और वो सब तो आप टूथपिक से और उससे भी कर सकते हैं.
टूथपिक से किया मैंने, लेकिन ये बड़ा वाला मेरे पास टूल्स नहीं था, तो मैंने वो ब्रश के पीछे का उसमें से किया है. आप देख लीजिए.
वो भी चलेगा, या फिर बच्चों की पेंसिल रहती है ना, राउंड पेंसिल, आप वो यूज कर सकते हैं. और रबर, और एक साइड रबर वाला रहेगा तो दोनों साइड यूज कर सकते हैं. रबर से आपको और बड़ा साइज मिल जाएगा. ये पेंसिल का पीछे का पार्ट.
I am doing with toothpick.
Toothpick. But then with the toothpick, you will get only the tiny dots. So for the bigger dots, you will have to. Earbud will also do.
I am doing with earbuds.
Yeah, that will also do. But with earbud, what I've found is that you are not able to control the shape of the dots once after using it. So you'll have to keep on changing the earbuds.
Okay.
So you use it, but it's not. I mean, when you want to go for mandala, I would not suggest you using that. But for such things, earbuds is good enough.
For first time.
Hello.
Yeah. For first time, it is good.
Hello. Hello,
Yeah.
ma'am. You can watch my.
I am not, ma'am. Please call me Amita. It's
करती थी ना, એટલે मैं नहीं उपाय दो.
Salvage if something smudges.
Yeah. But then, so you've tried to do elongated petals, correct?
It's perfect.
Yeah, it's good. Yeah, it's good, but I think you need to fill up. You've used blue, so if you use yellow, wherever black dots are there, then your artwork will still be brighter.
Okay.
Yeah, you've used
just this is the first paper, no? We are trying.
Yes, but that's what I'm
This is
saying
for the
on
trial,
black.
no? This is for
Yes,
the
but
trial, no?
Yes, but on black base, if you use something like this shade or a yellow, it will be brightened. It will be brighter. So
Okay.
that is what I'm just saying. That instead of blue, just go in for a brighter shade.
Okay.
Ami, how do you salvage if there's smudging? Can you do something?
So what I do is on paper, obviously not much can be done because once the dot is there, you can't really remove. But then on other surfaces, usually what I do is, if it's a smooth surface, it's not an issue. Otherwise, I first varnish my base, like my stone or my coaster. And then there is a problem, then I will use a earbud to wet earbud to just remove the paint. But as early as possible, not after 2-3 minutes. Mistakes are going to be there. That's a part and parcel of this. So, and most often than not, initially I used to do that, I would smudge it with my hands only. So now I'm hoping my white dots are dry, but then when you do top dots, please, right now for time's sake, I'm doing it immediately, but wait for all your dots to dry up, then only do the top dots. So top dots क्या होता है, एक ही डॉट पे आप दूसरा डॉट डालेंगे, छोटे छोटे साइजेस का, आपको 3 टॉप डॉट्स करना है तो फर्स्ट डिक्रीजिंग साइज यूज करनी है. राइट नाउ तो मैं एक ही टॉप डॉट यूज करने वाली हूँ. सो मैं पेटल्स में रेड यूज कर रही हूँ, लेकिन सेंटर में नहीं लगाऊंगी, ऐसे साइड पे लगाऊंगी, टेंजेंट टाइप. दिख रहा है आपको?
आपने किससे किया वो?
ये मैंने इनिशियली ये साइज यूज किया था, अब मैं ये साइज यूज कर रही हूँ.
अच्छा,
मैं ईयरबड नहीं यूज कर रही. मतलब आपका ईयरबड है तो आप अभी उससे कुछ छोटा टूल यूज कीजिए, जैसे टूथपिक का पीछे का साइड आप यूज कर सकते हैं.
हाँ, ओके.
या स्क्यूअर स्टिक का पीछे का साइड यूज कर सकते हैं.
Can we do on tiles?
Yes, you can do it on tiles.
Ma'am, can you see this?
हाँ, I'll have to pin. Yeah, this is good. Yeah, this is good.
What?
Yes, but only again, I will suggest that on black, do not use this blue color because it doesn't really show. So अगर now अभी आप इसमें क्या कर सकते हैं कि आपने जो येलो किया है या ग्रीन है आपके पास, वो आप ब्लू पे टॉप डॉट की तरह यूज कीजिए, तो it will give a glowing effect.
But mine are still wet.
हाँ, मतलब ड्राई होने के बाद अगर आपको इसको रखना है, since it's your first art piece, आप इस पे ये या फिर आप इस पे व्हाइट भी कर सकते हैं, एनीथिंग टू ब्रिंग आउट द कलर, बिकॉज ब्लू थोड़ा कम रहता है, दिखता कम है. हाँ, एंड ट्राई, देखिए आपका येलो अगर देखेंगे तो थोड़े छोटे छोटे डॉट्स भी है, मतलब दे आर नॉट राउंड. ट्राई एंड अचीव द राउंड डॉट्स, वॉट एवर बी द साइज. आप ट्राई कीजिए कि आपके डॉट्स राउंड रहे, उसके लिए आप प्रैक्टिस कीजिए, उसका ही प्रैक्टिस करना है. अच्छा, एंड अभी जिसको भी डॉट पेंट टॉप डॉट्स करने हैं, जैसे अभी मैं रेड यूज कर रही हूँ, आप कोई भी कलर यूज कर सकते हो. आप हर एक कलर में एक अलग टॉप डॉट भी डाल सकते हो टू शो ब्यूटीफुल कलरफुल फ्लावर्स. सो इट्स योर प्रेफरेंस. फिलहाल मैं सिर्फ रेड कर रही हूँ.
You said that bottles can be used. नहीं दिखेगा मेरा.
क्या सॉरी, 2 जन बोल रहे.
ब्लू के ऊपर ग्रीन डालूंगी तो नहीं दिखेगा अभी.
दिखेगा.
My green is this color.
नहीं, हाँ, no, not that one. You will need something like this, parrot green or something. येलो, आपके पास येलो है, येलो व्हाइट यूज कर सकते हैं.
पर येलो में ही तो करी, उसके बाद ब्लू आता है तो दोनों क्लैश हो जाएगा और येलो दिखेगा.
तो व्हाइट चलेगा, या फिर आप लाइट ब्लू, व्हाइट और ब्लू को मिक्स कीजिए, स्काई ब्लू कलर डाल दो, इट विल गिव अ वेरी ग्लोइंग इफेक्ट.
ओके.
मैं ये करके आप लोग को टॉप डॉट्स के थोड़े, मैंने जो एक वर्क किया है उसमें दिखाती हूँ टॉप डॉट्स के कैसे इफेक्ट होते हैं.
My sister-in-law has done this.
Yeah,
Yeah.
she does it on a,
On a coaster, she's done it.
yeah, nice it is. So yeah, I'm not able to see it clearly, but is it only green or she's used different shades of green in that bigger dots?
Only one shade we had, so she's used green, white, red, and yellow.
Okay.
You saw this painting?
Yeah, so she, sorry?
See this painting?
I'm sorry, I'm not, what?
You can see the painting now?
Yeah. So this is the, this seems to be the aboriginal art of Australia, you know, the
Yes.
Australian art form is like that, exactly
Yeah.
like that.
My
It's a huge piece.
daughter-in-law- My daughter-in-law
Yeah.
is from Australia.
Yeah, so that is why it looks very, very much like the original
Yes.
art form from Australia.
Yeah.
Obviously, the original art form doesn't use all these dotting tools, so
Excuse me, ma'am.
yes.
I was not having any voice. I just got the voice now. So I just wanted to know which color you are using, Fevicryl color you are using.
I prefer Fevicryl, but the person from whom I did my first dot painting workshop, she told me Fabrica, but I prefer Fevicryl because
So
they
what
are
was
like
that,
ready to use.
What was that small bottle you were using?
I just mix up my shade. So this shade is not readily available. So I just,
Okay.
when I'm doing
And
my other artworks.
it is only
Yeah.
plain color or you mix something with that?
No, it is only paint. But then what happens is when we keep the bottle open, when we are working, that time our paint starts thickening. So
Okay.
in acrylic color, I don't prefer putting water at all. I don't use water. You
Okay.
get mediums. So you get gloss medium from Camlin. So you should use that. It will
Okay.
not hamper your color consistency.
Amita, can I
Yeah.
show you mine? Can
Yeah,
I show
please tell
you
me.
mine?
Yes,
See
yes,
mine?
yes.
Yeah, mine, the dots, with the dots I did the design. Hello?
Yeah. Nice it
Can you
is.
see it? Can
Yes,
you
yes.
see it?
You have done it on a lid, I suppose. What is it?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, jar,
Lid, water.
yes. Yes.
I painted it black and then I did on that.
Yes, it's nice. Only since it's your first time, it's okay, but try and now make the dots round. Just try with a toothpick or something. Try to make them round.
Yeah.
But otherwise it's looking very pretty with the colors and again the blue on on black. Try and not use the blue. Try a lighter shade of blue. Just put a little bit of white, because that shade doesn't really stand up on black. So this is how now my piece looks like. Okay. And for top dot, I wanted to show this. So on this, if you'll see, here I've used 4 top dots. This is my base color and then lighter shade, and this is the white in between. So it gives a glowing effect. So whenever, like on here also I've used this blue. I hope you're able to see. It doesn't really stand out, but you don't really notice it because on the blue I have put a light blue and then a white. So it gives a glowing effect, to the dot. You feel that it's glowing and it's not only one single color. And in this piece, I have used a lot of top dots. I've used almost all big dots have top dots, plus these swipes have top dots. So the swipes don't have, you feel that I've done some shading on an overall level. So this is one of my very popular pieces. People have loved this color combination. And even here, so here there is no top dot as such, but only this bigger dot has top dot, and it gives it, there is a difference here that you see, it really makes it look good. Now I'll be using one of my styluses to put the bud on my, so I'm going to be adding this yellow on the bud of the all my flowers. And like in this piece, I have put very tiny yellow dots in between, so that I'll be putting, but once I finish this piece, I'll be adding these tiny yellow dots also. But here, just to show, I'll be using my tiniest, thinnest tool that I have. This is the thinnest tool. So I'll be using this to make the tiny yellow dots here and there, just to give it that brightness in my artwork. Otherwise, the teal, while it is a very beautiful shade, it brings down the whole artwork. So I'm just going to be putting tiny dots of yellow here and there, not too many, because finally it's a teal piece. But again, it's personal preference. I could have used a light green also, so that will also look good. And then I'll fill up the whole piece, and it will finally look like this one. So I hope everyone has liked it. I think I'm going overboard on the time. Karishma will be able to tell me. But I hope you all liked it. How many of you
Beautiful.
knew about dot painting?
Yes, very nice.
It's very
Thank
nice.
you.
Beautiful.
How many of you knew about dot painting? The COVID has really made an artist of many people.
They're doing it for the first time.
Okay, but no, had anyone heard about it, like what it is? And
No. I knew it because
Yes,
I knew
yes.
it because of my daughter-in-law.
daughter-in-law, okay.
Amrita, show me this.
Anyone else has made anything?
Amrita,
Yeah,
show me my.
yeah. It's looking nice. See, you put orange and yellow, so it's looking very pretty.
Yeah.
Can you just hold it a bit behind, because थोड़ा blur हो रहा है.
हाँ.
थोड़ा पीछे ले लो.
Okay.
हाँ, अच्छा दिख रहा है. लेकिन आप और फिल करेंगे ना तो ब्लैक कम दिखेगा फिर आपको.
अच्छा, और फिर
अगर हाँ जितना फिल करेंगे, देखिए अगर ये पीस आप देखेंगे और ये पीस के बीच में अगर आप कंपैरिजन देखेंगे तो ये मैंने पूरा फिल किया है और इसमें काफी तो आपका कैसा प्रेफरेंस. हाँ, लाइक मैं जनरली बने तब तक पूरा ब्लैक फिल कर देती हूँ, ब्लैक कम दिखता है. लेकिन ऐसा भी अच्छा ही दिखता है. सो इट आपका प्रेफरेंस है.
अच्छा, वो आपने व्हाइट डॉट जो बीच में फ्लावर में किया, उसमें क्या किया आपने?
मैंने येलो डाला है. हाँ, येलो डाला.
अच्छा, ओके. I put yellow.
I can if someone has made like this, you can leave it like this also. It looks very pretty. It looks very beautiful. But then usually मैं काला नहीं छोड़ती हूँ. I don't leave black space, so I fill it up like this.
अच्छा,
But then
आपने जो
if you are
बताया
making,
वैसा मेरा दिख रहा है.
हाँ,
अभी.
लेकिन आप अगर कोई डिजाइन बना रहे हैं तो फिर ब्लैक छोड़ना चाहिए, so that आपका पूरा डिजाइन का इम्पैक्ट आए.
अच्छा, तो ये डिजाइन कैसे बनते हैं? पहले ड्रॉ करने का.
अब तो मैं फ्री हैंड करती हूँ, लेकिन हाँ इनिशियली आपको ग्रिड बनाना पड़ता है, तो इसलिए मैंने ये सेशन में वो नहीं किया है. मंडाला एक अलग सेशन होना चाहिए जहाँ ग्रिड लाइन मतलब थोड़ा प्रैक्टिस के बाद ही हो सकता है. तो ये 40 मिनट्स 45 मिनट्स में नहीं हो सकता. सो मंडाला के लिए एक अलग टाइम ही जरूरत है. एंड ऐसे लैंडस्केप्स भी करना है तो उसके लिए भी अलग टाइम का जरूरत है.
हाँ, ये भी बहुत अच्छा है.
हाँ, ये बहुत ही प्रिटी दिखता है एक्चुअली। मैंने मेरे आप लोग अगर मेरे इंस्टाग्राम पेज पे जाएंगे तो आप देख सकते हो, मैंने बहुत सारे ऐसे लैंडस्केप्स बनाए थे कैनवस पे, तो बहुत प्रिटी दिखता है।
आपको पहले अपन ड्रॉ करके फिर बाद में भर सकते हैं।
सॉरी,
पहले अपन ड्रॉ करके फिर बाद में कर सकते हैं ऐसा फीलिंग?
वैसा भी कर सकते हैं, लेकिन बेटर है कि आप ऐसा बनाते जाएं, वो बेटर है। बिकॉज आप ड्रॉ कर लेंगे ना तो आपको वैसा ही शेप लाना पड़ेगा फिर।
अच्छा।
इसमें क्या है, आप इसमें आप डिसाइड कर सकते हैं आपको क्या करना है, बट ड्रॉ करके भी लोग करते हैं। स्टेंसिल्स
What is this in your hand? It's so beautiful.
No, this one.
Yeah, this is my son's favorite one, rainbow, and it's in a heart-shaped stone.
Very nice. किसमें किया, किसके ऊपर किया? कांच?
ये stone है, stone.
Stone, okay.
It's beautiful.
So अगर आप ये देखें, इसमें मैंने top dots कुछ भी नहीं यूज किया है because मुझे rainbow लाना था। लेकिन आप ये जो देखते हैं white, that is called walking dots. तो वो एक अलग
Where do you
उसका
get
अलग।
these stones, ma'am? Where do you get these stones?
Actually these should be river stones, so I just had gone somewhere to stay and वहाँ दिखा तो मैंने तो ले लिया, but अभी you can buy, but I don't know, I never bought it. But I'm always on the lookout. I'm on the lookout for such stones.
How's
my looking?
Excuse me. अगर
Yes,
अपन
yes, sorry.
स्टोन पे करते हैं तो वो जल्दी ड्राई होता है क्या?
हाँ, एक्रिलिक पेंट
कलर ड्राई हो जाता है डायरेक्टली अपन स्टोन पे करेंगे तो कलर ड्राई हो जाता है?
यस, ये वैसे वही है,
लेकिन वो काफी टाइम लेता होगा ना ड्राई होने को?
नहीं, एक्रिलिक कलर 5-10 मिनट ही लेता है कि कोई भी मीडियम पे, प्रॉब्लम नहीं आता है।
How is it looking?
हाँ बोले, I can't see you actually. One second, let me. What is your name? I am not able to see.
Laila.
Who is showing?
Laila.
I'm showing.
Laila.
Yeah, 1 second. 1 minute, I'm seeing. Yeah, just hold on. I'm just seeing.
Only I can't find one cover.
Not able
Did you see?
Yeah. Shehnaz and Laila, two people are showing, right?
Shehnaz.
Yes.
Yeah, Laila, I don't know, some light issue is there or what, I don't know, but you left a lot of black space.
Yes, because I had only limited colors with me. So whatever I had, I did it with that.
Yeah, so this is good, but then blue में आपने क्या किया है? Blue में आपने white लगाया है क्या? I'm not able to understand.
Blue पे white dot दिया है.
हाँ तो ठीक, हाँ तो अगर आपको बाद में ये white dot में भी आप अगर light blue वापस डालेंगे ना, it will give a very nice effect.
Okay.
And red and white are looking good. But if ये blue को अगर आप ये white में और अगर light blue color डालेंगे तो it will look good.
Okay.
And Shehnaz, you were showing? No, Jean is showing. Thank you. Shehnaz, 1 second.
Yeah.
I'll check Shehnaz also. Yeah, this is looking very pretty. It's looking like a clutch, purse sort of thing. So, आपने अगर ये ऊपर क्या कौन सा color use किया? Yellow use किया? Yellow and blue?
Where?
Jean, sorry. I'm talking to Jean. Sorry, Jean. What color have you used? You've used yellow and blue? Top line?
Me?
Yeah.
Shehnaz?
Jean.
Yellow and blue.
Yeah. So if you would have taken it, straight, I mean, you had finished the line, it would have looked like a border. So next time, just think about it. You can do it like that also. Give a nice border.
Okay.
But otherwise, it's looking pretty.
Doing with you, and so
Yeah.
and I left it that way, and then
It's looking like a small clutch bag, purse.
Actually. Because I didn't have a square.
Yeah. No, it's okay. It's looking nice.
How is this looking?
Yeah, Shehnaz, 1 second. I'll see yours now. Yeah, this is looking nice. Shehnaz, try to fill in the black spaces.
Oh.
Yeah.
But they're smudging. They're clashing with each other.
So now wait for them to dry and use a smaller tool to fill up the spaces.
Okay, okay, okay.
So that is what sometimes you have to, you need to wait a bit, you know, so that you are, when you are new, I used to smudge a lot. Then my dots keep on touching and all.
Yeah.
Normally it's not a problem, but if it's happening, just wait for your one layer to get dry and then start with the new one.
Okay, thank you, thank you.
So
I
yeah.
hope you come
So
often. I hope you come often.
I what? Sorry, I'm sorry.
I hope you come. You come back
Yeah.
often. We want to learn more.
That is upon Karishma.
Karishma.
Vanita aunty, hello. I'm sorry, मैंने पहले हाई नहीं बोला.
अब हमारा रिक्वेस्ट है फिर से बुलाना.
हाँ तो लेकिन अभी इतने कम टाइम में नहीं हो सकता, फिर आपको ज्यादा टाइम देना पड़ेगा.
और एक बार आओ.
We will convince Karishma to give more time.
Yeah. And my first ever dot painting when I did in a workshop, I sat for 5 hours straight. तब जाके मेरा first dot painting बना था. But then that one painting gave me a lot of confidence, and then I ventured on to this. 5 straight hours we had sat. Yeah.
It's very relaxing.
देना पड़ेगा. I'm sorry. एक मिनट. हाँ sorry इधर. So अब ये बहुत सिंपल मंडाला है. इसमें मैंने कुछ ज्यादा नहीं किया है. डॉट ही है. पैटर्न इतना कुछ नहीं है, लेकिन उसको 2-2.5 घंटा आप दोगे तो ही बनेगा.
But you start from the middle or you start from the top?
No, from the middle.
From the middle.
And then you build. And the best part about dot painting is, even if you go along, you do exactly what I'm telling you, along with the tools and the paints, that the same thing, still your artwork will be different from everyone else. It will be unique. You can never really replicate. So your art is always going to be unique.
Your small dots are very cute.
They look very cute actually. Once you, if you do the walking dot session, you're going to enjoy that also. Because that is how you get this effect.
We want to learn this.
So that's up to then Karishma.
Then we'll keep ourselves more occupied.
Yeah. Once you get onto it,
running out of time, Amita.
You have to look this shiny.
Okay.